Hi, and welcome to Be Happy. I hope you had a happy weekend. And here's a very short episode about my iPhone cable. It is 10 years old and it was in use until last week. Imagine 10 years of almost everyday tear and wear, and it still works. Be inspired or just take it as a funny episode. Enjoy. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. So this channel, Be Happy, is a test channel to me where I only post interesting things, funny things, and to get a feel for how the YouTube algorithm works. If you want to see my real work, go to Grand Piano on Tour and you will be surprised. So I originally don't have anything to do with tech or engineering. I'm a musician. Enjoy.